In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Aladdin Greenhouse Heater. Hello, I'm Griffiths. Welcome to Wick And Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now, just recently, I purchased this Aladdin heater off a friend of mine second hand. I'm just going to show you everything you need to know about it, how to change the wick, what kind of maintenance this needs, how to put the heating fluid into it, and how to set it up alight, and how to get the best use out of yours. So let's get into the video. So I've been using this greenhouse heater for a couple of weeks and it had a little bit of wick left in it. I've used that up. It's a shame I've already pulled that wick out, but I want to first of all show you how to change the wick in this heater. Very, very simple. Take the exhaust out, then you're left with the actual burning element. You've got two screws at the bottom there. You'll just unscrew them. And then that lifts up just like that. And inside there, you've got that little piece. The same there. Now, that's the burning element. That comes off like so. And so does that piece. Now, inside there, you've got your wheel. And that lifts up the carrier. So that's the wick carrier in there. And that's how you set your heat inside the Aladdin heater when you're using it. And it's as simple as that. No other fancy gizmos or things to worry about. There's pretty much nothing to go wrong with this. Just look at the build quality, well, how they used to build things back in the day. I mean, really, really good. Good bit of soldering or brazing there. Solid brass. You just can't buy that kind of quality stuff anymore. We just recently purchased a new glasshouse heater. And this old one is 20 times better. But anyway, let's get the wick on. So you can still buy wicks for these brand new. I bought this brand new on eBay just the other day. And that's how your wick looks like. So how this works, it sits in like that. This bit of cotton sucks up the kerosene or the paraffin, comes up here into there, and it's just the top bit that's lit all the time. Very, very simple. Now I've got a new carrier here. Always buy some good second-hand parts for this. So just this week I purchased the new carrier and I managed to find another one of these. Even though this isn't broken, I won it on eBay for £1.50 plus the postage. Now, what a bargain. Just gives this a lifetime of use. Now, if that ever does break or whatever, I've got spare parts to use in this. So, have a look on eBay. You could pick some great bargains on there. So, that's your wick, your carrier. So you've got a metal clip on each side of the wick. Click that in. Very important that it goes in there. Like so. So it touches the bottom there and touches the bottom on the bottom. Both sides, so it's clipped in. Now this is the tricky bit. That's why they've put the paper on the wick. And if you look in there, you've got two holes, one that side, and that's how the wick will go down into it. So on the outside, slip that through. I'll do one side first. See if I can get access to that bit of paper. We got it. So that's one side done. Got him. That's the fiddliest bit of this entire job. So I just noticed that needs to come round the other side now. Just click that back in. That's the click. Now we've got full control of that wick now. So we'll just bring that all the way down, pulling out this bottom bit as we go. Until that's level on the top there, and that can't turn down. Don't force that too much, because it is only small bits of brass. And that's how you change the wick. Can be a bit fiddly, but our wick will last a long time now. Might even say in the box how long. No, it doesn't say, but that will last weeks and weeks and weeks. Because you fill this tank up once and that goes for a week, and you hardly burn any wick in a week. So it'll probably do you, one good wick will probably do you for the season. So the next job is now put this back into there. That piece goes back there, and then you feed the top down over it. And we just expose a little bit of wick there. Put these back in place. Screw these back down. And that's how you change the wick. Now to light this, I'll show you in about an hour's time. You need to give that wick an hour to soak up the kerosene in there, or paraffin, depending what you're burning. And that sits there. Once that's there, it really draws the fire and all this heats up. So we've got fuel gauge there, and that's where we put the oil in. So we're going to do that now. We're going to fill it right up to the top. I won't have to do this again this week. So I've got kerosene in here, so I choose to burn kerosene in this. Just your normal day heating oil you could pick up in the garage, it's called kerosene. They do recommend using paraffin, but paraffin is twice the price. Now that is full to the brim. And that's it. Now, as that wick goes down, what you can do, buy the wick cutter. It's by using this cutter, take that out, and that slots in there, and you just turn it. So as that burns off, that will go black and very, very brittle. You can put that there, give that a twist, and that depth will give you the perfect height for that wick to burn at. So it's not never too high, never too low. Lift it up, peel it off, and that's your perfect height. So there's nothing left to do now. Give that wick a good hour to soak up the kerosene, put it in the glass house, and light it up for the night. Right, it's been a couple of hours now, and we're just gonna light this and take the exhaust off. That's perfect. It's a bit too much heat, so we'll just bring that down. Now watch what happens when this goes on. Instantly, I can feel the heat in there. And that will be on a slow burn now all night. I'll put this out in the morning because you don't want to be in here when this is burning, because obviously you've got the fumes with the fire, oil fire burning, but this doesn't damage the plants at all. The glasshouse is airy enough, but it really does bring the temperature up for the night. We're still getting some frost now in the night, so we want to protect the seedlings and push the summer growth, so we want the veg in early. This does a fantastic job in here of doing that. So if you're thinking of buying a greenhouse heater, then this Aladdin type is the type you want to buy. These are the best type on the market. The build quality is second to none. They don't make them like this anymore, or not that I'm aware of anyway. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video out every week. Thanks for watching.